So you're planning your dream trip to Bali, and you're staring at a map thinking, where the hell do I actually stay? Trust me, I've been there. Canggu, Seminyak, Ubud, Uluwatu. They all sound exotic and amazing, but they're wildly different experiences. Pick the wrong one, and you might end up in Party Central when you wanted Zen vibes, or stuck in the jungle when you're craving beach life. Today, I'm breaking down the pros and cons of Bali's 4 most popular areas, so you can choose the perfect base for your trip. Let's dive in. First up, Canggu. If Bali had a hipster neighborhood, this would be it. The vibe, think digital nomads with MacBooks in every cafe, killer sunsets, and more smoothie bowls than you can shake a surfboard at. Canggu has blown up over the past few years, and it's become the spot for younger travelers, remote workers, and anyone who wants to mix beach life with a social scene. The pros, the surf here is fantastic for beginners and intermediates. You've got black sand beaches, gorgeous rice paddies just inland, and the cafe scene is absolutely next level. We're talking organic everything, vegan options galore, and genuinely good coffee. The nightlife is fun, but not overwhelming, with beach clubs like Old Man's and Finn's Beach Club. Plus, it's more affordable than Seminyak, while still feeling developed and foreigner-friendly. The cons. Here's the thing. Canggu is getting crowded. Traffic can be absolutely chaotic, especially around Echo Beach. The beaches aren't as pristine as other parts of Bali. The ocean can be rough for swimming, and honestly, it can feel a bit like everyone's on their laptop pretending to work, while actually just posing for Instagram. If you want authentic Balinese culture, this isn't really it. Best for digital nomads, surfers, solo travelers in their 20s and 30s, and anyone who wants a lively social scene without full-blown party chaos. Next, Seminyak, Bali's upscale beach resort area. The vibe. This is where Bali goes sophisticated. Seminyak is all about luxury beach clubs, high-end shopping, fine dining, and beautiful sunsets with a cocktail in hand. It's more polished, more expensive, and caters to travelers who want comfort and style. The pros. The beach here is gorgeous, wide, sandy, great for sunset watching and swimming. You've got world-class beach clubs like Potato Head and Coup d'Etat, incredible restaurants serving everything from fresh seafood to international cuisine, and fantastic spas where you can get pampered without breaking the bank compared to Western prices. The shopping is excellent, with boutiques lining the streets, and it's a great base for exploring since you're centrally located on the West Coast. The cons. It's pricey. Not Europe expensive, but definitely the most expensive area in Bali. It can feel quite touristy and a bit pretentious at times. Lots of influencers and wealthy tourists. Traffic is terrible, especially during peak season, and parking is a nightmare. The nightlife, while upscale, isn't as wild as Kuta or as laid back as Canggu. Best for couples, honeymooners, travelers who prioritize comfort and style, foodies, and anyone celebrating a special occasion who wants to splurge a bit. Now, before we get to our last 2 locations, just a quick note. Planning a trip to Bali involves a lot of moving pieces: flights, hotels, activities, car rentals. I've partnered with some fantastic travel companies to make your life easier, and I've dropped all those links in the description below. I've also included direct booking links for accommodations in each of these 4 areas, so definitely check those out to find the perfect place to stay. Ubud, the spiritual heart of Bali. The vibe. This is the complete opposite of the beach towns. Ubud is inland, surrounded by lush jungle, rice terraces, and rivers. It's where people come for yoga retreats, spiritual healing, traditional dance performances, and to find themselves, or at least try to. It's peaceful, cultural, and deeply Balinese. The pros. The natural beauty is absolutely stunning. You're surrounded by emerald green rice paddies, waterfalls, and jungle as far as the eye can see. The cultural experiences here are unmatched. You can visit ancient temples like Tirta Empel, watch traditional Balinese dance, explore art galleries, and take cooking classes. The wellness scene is incredible, with yoga studios, meditation centers, and healing retreats everywhere. It's cooler temperature-wise since you're at higher elevation, and it feels much more authentic and less touristy than the beach areas. The cons: there's no beach. If ocean views and swimming are non-negotiable for you, Ubud will disappoint. It's also become quite touristy in the town center, especially around the monkey forest and main market areas where you'll be constantly hassled by touts. Traffic in Ubud town is surprisingly bad, and getting around requires either renting a scooter or hiring drivers constantly. The humidity is intense, and if you're not into the whole wellness and spirituality thing, you might find it a bit too earnest. Best for culture seekers, yoga enthusiasts, couples wanting a romantic jungle escape, photographers, and anyone who needs a break from beach scenes and wants to connect with Bali's traditional side. Finally, Uluwatu, the dramatic clifftop paradise. The vibe. Uluwatu is the Bukit Peninsula's crown jewel. Think dramatic limestone cliffs, world-class surf breaks, stunning beaches hidden down staircases, and some of the most jaw-dropping views in all of Bali. It's more spread out and relaxed than the other areas, with a distinctly surf-focused culture. The pros. The scenery is absolutely breathtaking. The beaches here, Padang Padang, Bingin, Dreamland, are some of the most beautiful in Bali. The famous Uluwatu temple, perched on the cliff, is spectacular, especially for sunset. The surf is legendary if you're intermediate to advanced. You get amazing clifftop accommodations and beach clubs like Single Fin. It's less crowded than Seminyak or Canggu, and there's something magical about watching the sunset over the Indian Ocean from those cliffs. The cons. Getting down to the beaches often involves steep staircases. We're talking hundreds of steps, which is fine going down, but brutal coming back up in the heat. It's quite spread out, so you really need a scooter or car to get around. Dining and shopping options are limited compared to the other areas. It's not as developed. The surf can be dangerous for beginners with strong currents and sharp reef breaks. And honestly, it can feel a bit isolated if you're looking for a social scene. Best for experienced surfers, couples seeking romance and seclusion, travelers who want stunning natural beauty, and anyone who doesn't mind being away from the hustle and bustle. So there you have it. Canggu for the digital nomad surf scene, Seminyak for luxury and sophistication, Ubud for culture and spirituality, and Uluwatu for dramatic clifftop beauty and world-class waves. Honestly, if you have the time, I'd recommend splitting your trip between 2 or even 3 of these areas to get a full taste of what Bali offers. Don't forget to check out those affiliate links in the description below for all your travel booking needs. Flights, hotels, activities, car rentals. I've got you covered, and you'll be supporting this channel at the same time. If this video helped you figure out where to stay in Bali, smash that like button, share it with anyone planning a trip, and subscribe so you never miss another travel guide. Hit that notification bell too. I've got so much more Bali content coming your way. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.